Hong Kong Mechanic integrates brand culture, cell phone technology and ecology, technology innovation research and development equipment, tools, chemical auxiliary materials, instruments, software and hardware development, and other innovative group enterprise. With rich experience, advanced equipment, and exquisite technology group enterprise. It can provide customers with high-quality products and services. Factory covers an area of more than 50,000 square meters. Every tool, every device, every drop of chemical auxiliary embodies our pursuit of perfection. We believe true technology is not just cold parameters, but tangible trust. Hong Kong Mechanic always stands at the forefront of the industry, redefining service standards with systematic solutions. We are not only product providers, but also companions on the path of technological evolution. Hong Kong Mechanic, saluting professionalism with technology, carrying trust with craftsmanship. All are dedicated to delivering products that exceed expectations and helping clients win the future. We listen, we understand, we co-create. Hong Kong Mechanic takes material science as its origin, viewing solder paste and solder wire as the dual foundation for achieving reliable connections. Our solder paste is the solution for precise deposition. Through strict control of composition and the flux activation system, we ensure every solder joint, from microchips to large modules, is strong and stable. Precision operation and strict control adhere to the pursuit of excellence in quality philosophy. Always treat every detail with high standards and strict requirements. Behind every difference is a dull repetition. Every mobile phone battery we produce originates from precise control over the electrochemical system. By utilizing high-grade lithium-ion cells and intelligent protection circuits, we achieve a dual breakthrough in energy density and safety within a limited space. Hong Kong Mechanic, saluting professionalism with technology, carrying trust with craftsmanship. We are writing not only the history of an enterprise, but also the possibility for the entire industry to move forward.